How to open audio file in WavePad. First of all, open the WavePad Audio Editor on your computer. Next, look for the File menu located at the top left corner of the WavePad window and click on it to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down options, select Open File to bring up a file browser window where you can choose the audio file you want to work with. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+O to open the file browser quickly. Or you can click and open directly under the Home menu section on the second row. Once the file browser appears, navigate through your folders to find the location where your audio file is saved. Select the audio file you wish to open. Keep in mind that WavePad supports a wide range of audio formats like MP3, WAV, WMA, and many more. After selecting the file, click the Open button to load into WavePad's editor. Your audio file will now appear inside WavePad, ready for you to edit, trim, add effects, or make any other adjustments you need. And that's it. Now you know how to open an audio file in WavePad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.